I came to the Hyperarch training due to I saw your post on Instagram and I've been very curious about fascia, and I wanted to become a better athlete and wanted to get glute activation and, be able to jump higher, run faster. I'm 45, but I don't like to abide by age and what we're told in society. So I feel like the best is still in front of me, and I was just kind of looking for that edge. And yeah, and what I found here with you has been that edge. I feel a lot more athletic. I can do things that I wasn't able to do before. And I think the greatest gains so far, well, one, I love the way my feet look. They look like talons, and so when I move now, I just feel a lot more sturdy, a lot more grounded. But specifically, the glutes, that's where I feel like the biggest win is like when I walk, I can feel the glutes on now. When I run, I can feel those on, and it's just a different feeling in the body when you have these muscles working in unison with the rest of your biomechanics. So yeah, that's kind of why I'm here.
Great. How does this compare to the mainstream training? Because you definitely done mainstream training before. And how does this compare to that?
Yeah, I mean, it's just the way mainstream training is. It's very compartmentalized. It's kind of like you do reverse aesthetics to make your body look a certain way, but you're not getting any functionality, and specifically, you're not getting the whole body to work together. I think that the big sort of, I think even beyond the physical gains I got with you, Chong, I think it's more just even being having the awareness and the understanding that the body is one organism, and that it needs to be moving in that way, and I think that that's probably the biggest separation from mainstream, is that this is, in mainstream, you compartmentalize everything, and what's fascia is just one mechanism. And once you start to orient yourself around that ideology, it's like, oh wow, I don't know. It's just something happens when you start to think of everything holistically versus compartmentalized.
Right, definitely. What about the pains that you had? Were you struggling with any type of joint pain before?
Yeah, I mean, it was mostly in the shoulder areas. And I mean, I was struggling with that for a good year, and that's subsided to practically gone. It's rare that I mean, sometimes it comes back like a small tinge, but I mean, where it was and to where it's at now, I mean, the pain's completely subsided. Um, yeah, and I didn't necessarily have any other pain other than the shoulder area, but that, just to get relief from that standpoint, I think it makes you happier when you're not dealing with ongoing pain.
Right. I mean, you do have a beautiful shoulder constructed, by the way. The
Well,
physique,
thanks.
the physique is incredible.
Yeah, I appreciate
Um,
that.
the and I really appreciate that you enjoyed this work, and you also referred other people to me.